Hello, everyone. Welcome to Marilyn's Tarot Take. Happy Wednesday. Becoming the evening here where I live, my last day of my mini vacation from work. And what came today but a Kickstarter deck that I backed quite a while back. It's called the Forces of Nature Tarot. I backed it because of its beauty, number one, but it is so different. It's not quite a tarot, it's not quite an oracle. So I'll be reading from the book because it helps explain the intention for these cards. She's a Ukrainian artist that now lives in the United States. So that's really all I know about it. There's not a lot of, I did glance through the book. I have not looked at the cards, but there's not a lot of information in the book about the artist at all. So that would be a Kickstarter inquiry, or I'll look to see if she has her own site. This says TAKISHOBRAND, and it is a July 2025 deck, but there's not a lot of information in the book about her or where this originated. That's all from the Kickstarter information. So I'm going to start in by reading a little bit in the book about the deck so we can have an idea what her intention was for this deck. Again, it's called The Forces of Nature. And she writes, "You're holding a deck that wasn't made to give you all the answers. It was made to bring you back to something far more powerful, your own inner depth. Forces of Nature is not traditional tarot deck, not a fortune-telling tool, and not even a typical oracle. It's a space, a language, where images, sensations, and emotions meet your intuition. Each card is a mirror, inviting you to ask, what is alive in me right now? This deck was born from personal experience, migration, healing, grief, joy, meditation, silence, nature, and the quiet conversation with the self. I created these cards to speak gently, not with fixed meanings, but with presence, like wind, like ash, like a whisper from within. You can use this deck for self-reflection, emotional clarity, daily or moment-based readings, work with clients as a therapist, coach, or guide, meditation or journaling, supporting transformation and inner shifts. There are no bad cards here. Each one is living part of a greater system, like fire and water, chaos and stillness, roots and sky. These cards do not judge, they reveal. They help you meet yourself with truth and move forward with awareness. May this deck become your companion, quiet, alive, real. Daria. There's no right way to use this deck, and that's the point. Forces of Nature was created to support your intuition, not override it. Some days you may pull a card and feel the meaning instantly in your body. Other days you may sit with the image, read the guide, and let it unfold slowly. Both are valid. Trust what comes. So before you begin, you can use this deck in the morning to tune into your energy, during emotional or transitional moments, as a journaling prompt, in sessions with clients before meditation, when you feel stuck, lost, or open. Take a moment to get quiet. You don't need a ritual, but breathe. Place your hands on the deck. Ask what you want, ask what wants to be seen, or what energy I am working with. And she goes on how you can get to know the deck and working with the deck. You can use it as a card of a day, the inner weather, mirror spread, path of transformation, message from spirit. And she's got some other bonus ideas there. She has spreads here, quite a few spreads that she describes. Card meditations, moon and season rituals, embodiment and movement. Beautiful. So each of the cards has about a page and a half. Is a card of a day use, an affirmation use, upright meaning use, interpretations thereof. She does have the reverse meanings if you like to do reverse meanings. I generally don't. So there's really not, it's a July 2025 deck, but there's nothing in here about her personally. Um, so it's where I'm a little, I don't have a lot to report on that. There's information on the Kickstarter page, I'm sure. So all the cards are represented here in black and white. The book is really a nice book. It's got a rose petal finish, which is just right up my alley. And it is approximately unnumbered pages. So I have no concept how many pages there are, which I think is kind of interesting that she didn't number the pages because you're not supposed to follow any sort of rigid boundary. So that's probably a telling sign there. Interesting. Very interesting. So let's look at the cards. Comes in a lovely silk pouch. And if I can, I'll find some more information on the author and the artist, and I will put that in my description. There are no edgings here, no color edgings, no gilding at all, but that's fine. Beautiful backs, gorgeous backs. Love the colors. Size appears to be a little bit narrower than an average tarot. Yep, just a pinch, about a 1/4 inch narrower, but the same height. The cardstock is really nice. It's thicker. It's more cardboardy, which I like. Some people don't like that, but particularly with an oracle. I don't know why that is. It just seems like I don't do a lot of riffle shuffling, but I do like a thicker oracle. Don't know why. I just like the feel of them. But isn't that a beautiful bag? So pretty. Okay, let's look at the cards. So there's no explanation to major arcana, minor arcana, how she ties tarot into this. So we'll just kind of dive in here together. Okay, this is classified as major arcana. This is the creation card. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Creation. Interesting beginning to the deck. Makes perfect sense. Vortex. So we're still in the major arcana. Beautiful. That can be a positive vortex. It could be one of concern or worry, or it could be one of enlightenment, one of ascension. I'll go with the enlightenment and ascension. I'm voting for that one. Harmony. Beautiful card. Wow. I like it. Energy. I love the artwork. Beautiful colors. Guide. Getting the info from above. Love that. Ether. Beautiful. I feel the ether a lot, so this will be a significant card for me. Beautiful. Liberty. That freedom. The bird flying out of the cage. Bridge. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. It could go so many different ways for a person. A path that you want to go on, a path you must go on, a path where you don't know quite where it leads, or you're getting to the end of your path that you're an intended end. Many ways that could be interpreted. Gate. Beautiful. Dark. Little shadow work maybe right there. Transformation. Let's see what she has to say about transformation. Hopefully these are, I don't know if these are in here in the order she has them, or if they're alphabetical. You can tell I haven't looked at the book yet. They appear to be alphabetical. I'm getting there. Transformation. Let's look and see what she has to say about transformation. And again, it's about 1.5 pages for each card as a card of the day, let's say we pulled it as a card of the day, the meaning would be a shift is underway. The transformation card signals that something old is ready to fall away, making space for a new version of you to emerge. Trust the process, even if it feels uncertain. This growth disguised as change. So as an affirmation, I embrace transformation as a path to my true self. Keywords are deep change, rebirth, letting go, inner evolution, renewal, metamorphosis, and personal awakening. Wonderful. Intuition. Looking within. Getting the message. Listening to the message. Wow, these are great. Light. We look for the light. Beautiful. Creek. I'd like to be there. Very serene. Gorgeous. Boat. Are you getting in the boat? Getting onto your transformative path? Your journey? Or are you leaving the boat having completed your journey? Island. Yes, indeed. We all need to be in our own island off and on for peace, solitude, regrouping, re-energize. Lagoon. Beautiful. Waterfall. Wash away the concerns and worries, bringing in new thoughts, balance. Water is so vital, and it's cleansing, purifying. Beautiful. These are nice. We left the major arcana. I was gonna watch for that. Daggone it! I just got so intrigued with the cards. Where did the major arcana? Major arcana stopped with light. Can you tell I haven't looked at these cards yet? So I am assuming we are in the minors now, and this all seems to be watery. So yes, let's get back focused on the fact that this is has tarot overtones. And one wave. Oh, look at that. Boy, so many of these would make phenomenal wall hangings. Morning dew. I don't know if you can hear my Great Dane barking or not. If so, I apologize, but she's finding something of interest outside. Storm. Oh, beautiful. Lake. Gorgeous. Won't be long and we'll be in the fall season. Just around the corner. The plants are saying it's coming relatively soon. Sea. It's kind of a haunting card. Beautiful. River. Water flowing on its way to the bigger body of water. Or it could be coming from the bigger body of water up the way. It depends. Which way are you moving on the river? Water source. Oh, that's lovely. Wow. I like that. Has a well vibe to it. Okay, we're in tree now. Wonder if this would be some a wand type of suit. Maybe we've switched suit. Hat. Beautiful. Home. Field. This is interesting. This is when I do my traveling, my astral traveling, or my journeying. I am oftentimes in a field looking very much like this, going to a place where it is a clearing with a tree stump that I sit on. So that's a very familiar card for me. I haven't gone there as a child, actually, just as an adult journeying, but that's one of my journeying places right here. Wow. Forest. Beautiful mountain. Stone. You know, it's really not necessary to even think of this as a tarot. To me, this is an oracle. If you're going to try to define it, I can see that she really doesn't want you to define it. Just take the message that you receive from the card, and I really like that. It's not boxed in. Literally not boxed in. It didn't come in a box. Cave. Gorgeous. I also visit caves in my travels. My journeying. Yeah, this is touching some inner spots for me. Garden. Beautiful. Seeds. Where it all begins. Beautiful. Grow through all kinds of different types of dirt, cracks in the concrete. They find a way. Sprout. So I'm going to let go even trying to figure out what suit this might be in the tarot, because it matters not to me. It really doesn't. Roots. Oh, that's beautiful. I do love trees. That's their line of communication with each other. Studies have shown they do help each other underground, and they do communicate with each other. Sun. Gorgeous card. Look at that. Beautiful. Peaceful. You can just feel the warmth. I just feel the warmth on my face right now. Oh, these cards are wonderful. Wow. Candle. Quite meditative right there. Lava. Quite a bit of that going on in the world right now. Quite a few active volcanoes, along with earthquakes and such. Mother Earth is speaking. Beautiful. Fire. Ugh. I hate about the destruction of that, but that's going on right now as well. Fires everywhere. Massive fires. Fire in the hearth, as well it should be right there. Keep it in the hearth. Although, in nature, fire serves a purpose. It does. Ash. From fire to ash. Fire in the hearth. Oh, I love this deck. Beautiful. Phoenix, here we are rising as best we can. Volcano. One of many speaking right now, as I said before. Bonfire. We're coming up to bonfire season. Won't be long. Torch. Beautiful. Spark. Flame. To follow this would be the wands. My brain, I can't quite keep from doing that. Maybe the other was Pentacles, the earth suit. Vibration. Oh wow, I like that. Everything has a vibration. Everything resonates, has a frequency. So many don't understand that. Flag. Man comes into play. Wouldn't have a flag unless there was a man behind it. People. Shouldn't say man. People. Ocean breeze. Oh, can't you just smell it? I can just smell the ocean. I love this artistry. This is fabulous. And the texture of these cards is so nice. It's not rose petal. It's matte, but oh, it's just nice and soft and nice. Ooh, fog, beautiful. Looks like Smoky Mountains, kind of. Whispers. Listen closely to the whispers around you. They're there. Your guide's speaking to you. Spirit, beautiful. Kind of ethereal, watery, yet there's the human component. We're mixing together. Love that. Echo. See, I see a mother-daughter. Be careful what you say, because it will be echoed back with you. Treat your children the way you would want them to be treated, or then how you would want everyone to treat them, with kindness and support. They take in what you put out. That's my first impression anyway. Cyclone. Well, we've got some hurricanes brewing around. Don't know if there's any cyclones in play right now. They have their own beauty, own natural beauty. Destructive, but beautiful. Wing. Oh, love this card. Crow is one of my spirit animals, so look at that. Beautiful. Lightning. Had quite a bit of that last night. Beautiful. We need lightning. Ionizes the air. Discharges the energy. Needed component. Cloud. Wind appears to be more of an air suit here. Perhaps the swords, who knows? Beautiful. Breath. Oh, that's a gorgeous card. So peaceful. Take a breath. Breathe in the peace and calm. Magnet. Interesting. It could be used in many, many ways. Wow. Sound. Music is a beautiful sound to have. Calming. However, it affects you. Some people like heavy metal. But music is very important. Every culture has music. Resonance. Beautiful. Mind flow. Interesting. I like it. Warm colors into cool colors, all melding together. Shadow. Our shadows do follow us. Shadow work is important. Meditation. Gorgeous card. Wow, love the colors. I'm really enjoying this deck. resonating with it. Consonants. Let's look and see what she means by consonants. What is her take? Consonants. The card of the day meaning is everything is clicking into place within you or around you. The consonants card speaks of resonance, alignment, subtle harmony. Your thoughts, actions, or relationships may feel more in tune today. Trust the rhythm. You are part of a greater melody. The affirmation is, I move in harmony with myself and the world. Keywords, harmony, resonance, inner alignment, flow, subtle synchronicity, and attunement. Beautiful. Gosh, these are gorgeous. I am so happy I backed this. Gravity. She's right on the edge of gravity. Gorgeous. Clarity. Got your crystal. Crystal clear. Clarity. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I have crystals all around me here in my sacred space. Rhythm. Yes, sometimes we get out of rhythm. Some days it's hard to stay in rhythm. Just need to ground. Take your shoes off. Touch the earth. Get in rhythm with the earth. Bring that earth energy right up into your feet and body to ground. Eternity. Some days feel like an eternity. Beautiful. Convergence. Gorgeous. And the ultimate desire. Balance. Wow, I am wowed by this deck. It really struck me. I resonated so strongly with this deck. Beautiful artistry, beautiful sentiment. I love the word choices. It's the pictures that went with the words, images. So much can be done with every card. I mean, one card would oftentimes just be enough. Pull one of these every day or do one of the spreads. I will definitely be using this deck this week. And if I may take this one to work with me, I always have a deck at work and pull a card a day there. I have my morning ritual here and pull a variety of cards, but wow, 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 wow. I am just thrilled. I hope that you can get your hands on this deck. I will put information. I'll try to find some more information about her. I will try to find more information where you can get this because the book is not helpful in that regard. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this deck. I sure do. And again, I'll get the information for it so you can possibly get this. Man, this really touched me in many, many ways. I'm just very pleased, kind of taken aback, quite honestly. So thank you so much for stopping by to visit and to watch. If you have any comments on the cards or impressions that you got from the cards, I'd love to hear. If you know anything about this artist or if you have this deck yourself, tune in and let me know. Drop a comment so I can hear your thoughts on it. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now.